Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add line border to a picture in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu, select the picture option, choose this device. Now I am select the image from our file and insert it. Then select the image and move in on the sheet. Then go to the picture format menu, click the format picture option, then go to the fill option and enable the line option. Now I am select the solid line and select the color and choose any color. Now I am select the orange color, then increase the width of the outline or the line. Now we can see we add line border to picture easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.